Welcome back 8080 friends and family. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I'm way stoked to introduce to you DCG 67. This will be the official build video where you're gonna learn all the details about this insane Lamborghini Huracan. Now, because you guys loved the last Huracan we gave away so much, we decided to give away another one, but this one's a little bit different. First off, the color is not exactly the same as the last purple Huracan. This one is Avery Satin Metallic Purple, and it is absolutely gorgeous, especially when the sun hits it just right. Plus, this one has a completely different carbon kit on it. This is the fully forged carbon kit from 1016 Industries. You can see it's got forged carbon fiber everywhere on this car, and it looks so good, especially in the sunlight, just like the color. I mean, there's literally no denying that this car looks so aggressive with the color paired with this body kit. This thing is so sick, and it absolutely turns heads everywhere you go. Next, I want to focus on the wheels on this car. They're STRASSE forged, which is the same brand that we've used on many Huracans in the past because they look so good. We love STRASSE forged wheels. These are three-piece, fully forged wheels, and they have this awesome directional high spoke design that looks so good. I believe the exact wheel model is SV15T from STRASSE Forge, and they look absolutely incredible. The hidden hardware, but they're still three-piece wheels, which is an absolute flex. And of course, the wheels are wrapped in the best of the best, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. These grip like no other tire I've ever used in my life. Now let's hop in and take a look at the interior because there are a few details in here that look so good. So first off, you've got the forged carbon everywhere on the inside. This is all factory forged carbon from Forged Composites. They do the forged carbon for the Lamborghini Huracan Evos, so you're literally getting factory quality carbon fiber everywhere on this car. Now, this is an aftermarket steering wheel with the red carbon fiber, the white stripe, the red carbon fiber here. It looks so good, complements the rest of the red accents in the car so freaking well. This thing is an absolute dream to drive, partially because you have such a nice interior. Now, before we get to the last part of the car I want to show you, I've got to remind you that this is just a wrap. If you don't like the purple, underneath is the beautiful Bianco Canopus white. It looks so good in white or purple or any other color. It's hard to go wrong with a Lamborghini Huracan that has this much carbon fiber all over it. I mean, look at this wing. It looks so crazy with the sun hitting it like that. Now, last but certainly not least is this exhaust. It's got the center exit exhaust, which is normally found on the Lamborghini Performante, but with the 1016 Industries kit, you're able to fit a center exit exhaust on here. And this exhaust in particular is made by Voodoo Designs. It sounds absolutely insane. My favorite exhaust for the Lamborghini Huracan, besides the Vorsteiner RS, this thing sounds absolutely incredible. So in a few moments, we're gonna go for a ride, but I have one more thing to talk to you about, which is this rear hatch. Now, for those of you who didn't know, the rear hatch here is an interesting option from factory because there's two different options you have. You can do the black metal louvered option, which has complete metal covering the entire back. It looks really good in my opinion, but you don't get to see the engine bay like this. Plus, underneath this hatch, you've got the fully forged carbon engine bay components, which match this forged carbon here. Now, this is dry and this is gloss, but together they look absolutely incredible. You can even see through there's forged carbon absolutely everywhere. Plus, you get to see that gorgeous V10 motor. So the more you know. Now, before we go for a drive in this thing, I gotta show you the suspension on this car. I don't know if we can see it with the wheel well turned here. And it's pretty hard, but what's nice about the suspension is that it's fully adjustable. It's the H&R VTF adjustable spring system, which means you can drop this thing even lower than it is right now. You can also go higher if that's your preference, but I think it looks so good how it is. Plus, this also comes with a factory front lift system, which is retained by using those springs, meaning when you're driving, there's a little button, you press that, and the front of the car raises a few inches, and it makes it so much easier to get up steep ramps or over bumps, stuff like that. So in conclusion, if there was any supercar out there that I personally would daily drive, it would be a Lamborghini Huracan because these things are so robust. It's got the front lift system to get over speed bumps and up steep driveways. It's got an absolutely bulletproof motor, that 5.2 liter V10, and they just look so good. But now for the fun part, we get to go for the drive you've all been waiting for. I know you all want to hear how this thing sounds and how it drives. It is an absolutely phenomenal car. So let's go hop in and go for a drive. And here we go. We're going for our little ride in the Lamborghini Huracan. So I don't know about you guys, but I am ready to do a fat pull. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing is just too fun to drive. Oh my gosh. Listen to these downshifts. Oh my gosh, that is heavenly. Oh my gosh, it is just too fun to drive this thing. Look, insane. Oh, these downshifts, dude, here we go. Oh my gosh. This is just, there's nothing that beats a Lamborghini Huracan's acceleration, the sound, the driving experience, the handling, everything about this car is perfection. And yes, you can literally own this exact car. Now you guys know the drill. This car comes with $60,000 in cash, and both the car and the cash could be yours in just a few short weeks. Our giveaways don't last long though. At least give yourself the chance. Just head to 8080.com and I'll see you in there. For now, peace.